Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have my January BOXYCHARM unboxing, my first BOXYCHARM unboxing of 2019. I did not do December's unboxing because I just didn't have time, and I feel like when I skip a month, I feel like I haven't done a BOXYCHARM unboxing in 6 months, so it feels like it's been forever. I'm super excited for this one's box because there are a couple things in here that I kind of saw when I opened it just to kind of preview what's in it, and I'm pretty excited. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. The little card this month is so cute. No, my favorite color is lavender, so this I love. This is reminding me of KATRINA circa 2012. The pastel goth jumped out. First thing I want to use, I'm super excited for, is I don't have anything on my face yet. And these are the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. No, this is not the mist. What am I talking about? The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. These are sheet masks, and these retail for, the 2-pack is $24. We're feeling a little bougie today, so let's just go ahead and apply this. So these are just sheet masks. It just says apply the mask and leave on for 15 minutes. So I'm going to be doing that. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh god, it just squirted on me. We're just going to apply that there. It smells, ow. It smells so good. I don't really remember what the, oh my god, it's squirting everywhere when I open it. I recommend doing this over a sink or something. I'm in my room, so that's great. This looks like it's gonna be wet. Okay, so there's a lot of creamy white substance in here. So I'm just gonna pull this out. Alright, there's a lot of serum in here still left. Oh my god, it's dripping on me. There's a lot of serum still left in here, so the cheap bitch that I am gonna save this. Yeah, this is getting everywhere. Apply this. So cold. God, this is so liquidy. I can't even right now. I look terrifying, so I should probably put my hair back. I don't even know where my clips are at right now. Okay, there. Here's one. This is everywhere right now. In my hair, in my mouth. It's in my mouth. That was a struggle if I have ever seen one. I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes and I will be right back. Okay, so I just ripped that off my skin. I'm gonna rub the rest of that serum and to my face. It feels very nice. That's rubbed into my skin actually looks very radiant and very hydrated. My skin feels very plump. Just I don't know, my skin just had a drink of water. It's very nice. So my hair's a mess. So the next thing in the box, which I honestly don't think I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna show it to you guys anyway. So this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. So I'm just going to open it and show you guys just so you guys could see it. But for me personally, I just don't see myself using this. It's just not really my style. This is what it looks like. It's blinding you, sorry. It's very, very neutral. It's really pretty. They did give us one of these in a BOXYCHARM sometime last year, I think. And I used it once and I never used it again, but I used it for the sole purpose of just using it in the video. I say I never used it again, so I feel why would I waste a product like that when I know somebody else could definitely use it and make more use of it and like it probably more than I would. So I am going to be giving this palette away along with some more goodies that I'll throw in the box. If you guys do want the palette, then leave a comment down below. I will put the rules in the description box for this. If you guys do want this, then just go make sure and read those rules. But yeah, I'd rather give it to somebody that I know will make better use out of it and use it and love it more, because I know that if I use it, I'm literally going to use it once and just it's going to be thrown into my drawer of palettes. So next product we have, which I think you're supposed to use this on damp hair and my hair is dry, but this is the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I'm very excited about this. I know Kathleen always talks about Briogeo and I think this is the one that she uses. But I'm very excited. I've been trying to use different hair masks and leave-in conditioners and stuff, so I've been trying it out a lot and I'm definitely excited to try this. I've been using this hair mask from my work and it feels very nice, softer and silkier, so I'm definitely going to use this when I wash my hair next. I'll spray it in there once it's damp, and I will update you guys if I like it or not. There's only a couple products left in here, and they are makeup products, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and use those products. Okay, so I just did something like super simple. But anyways, moving on to the next products. I don't think I told you the prices of the other two things. The Tarte palette was $36, and the Briogeo spray was $12. That one isn't a full size. It's like a little travel size one, but that one does retail for $12. Next product we have is from Starlooks, and this is their Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. So this is just an eyeliner, and it's like a sparkly, like pink eyeliner. So I feel like you can't even really, maybe you can. It's very subtle, but we will put it in my waterline just for shits and giggles. So let's see. This retails for $19, by the way. That's a lot. Ow, that literally just stabbed my eye. So that's great. Love that. I literally can't see that on my eyeliner, my waterline, and also now my eye is like completely watering. Don't really care for that. Could live without. Price is also a little steep for the eyeliner. The last product in the box is something that I am so excited for. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche, whatever they're called, lipsticks. These retail for $26, and I have one Bite lipstick, and they are definitely a little bit pricey. Like $26 is kind of pricey for a lipstick, but they smell so good. They smell like amazing. So this is in the shade Ginger Snap. Typically not a lip color that I would wear, it doesn't seem like, but I'm gonna still use it anyway because it's Bite. So, ooh, they're so creamy. Yeah, I would definitely, this is like one of those colors that I would wear for like a specific look, or like going into like summer maybe, but like right now, no. But I'm not gonna complain because I like Bite Beauty's lipstick formula, and I will take it. Yeah, it's definitely like calls for a very specific look. This lipstick also makes my teeth look really yellow. I probably won't wear this today because I have somewhere to go right now. Definitely still like it, and I definitely appreciate that Bite was in the box this month. Let me add everything up. Overall value for this month's box is $117, which I think is a great price. The Tatcha masks pay for the box themselves. The masks were $24, so the box is only $21. Definitely think it's a great box this month. If it wasn't for like the eyeshadow palette, I think, or like even different colors in the palette, I think this would have been a really, really good box. But for me, like, I just don't really care for palettes like that, so that was like the only thing. But everything else, like, I was super excited for the Tatcha mask. I love that they had Bite Beauty lipsticks in there, and I hope they have more in future boxes. I know some people got Ofra liquid lipsticks, which are also great. I love Ofra's formula, so even if I would have got those, I would have been really excited for. The Briogeo mask, or like leave-in conditioner, is really good. And yeah, the eyeliner I just didn't care for, but I feel like there's always that one product in most boxes that I'm just like, I don't care about. So overall, I still think it's a really good box. I definitely think it was a great way to start the year for BOXYCHARM, and I'm always excited to see what they're going to come out with next month. They're already starting to put Tatcha in here. I hope they put more Tatcha stuff in future boxes. That would be amazing, especially because Tatcha is so expensive. And like if they were like travel size stuff of Tatcha, I feel like that would still be really good in the boxes too. So anyways, leave me a comment down below if you guys got the same stuff that I got in my box, or if you got something completely different. Also leave a comment if you do want the Tarte palette. Like I said, I will leave the rules for everything in the description box. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.